Hello guys, this is what you face if you request for a cheap labor. Always make sure that you request for a professional plumber to do your work. Look at what someone did. Look at this. So I have to change all these connections and do it on the professional way. So that is it. Very neat and beautiful.